Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted place for car upgrades, reviews, and all things automotive. In today's video, we're diving into the best coilovers for Nissan Maxima, suspension kits that not only improve your ride comfort but also give you that aggressive, lowered stance and tighter handling you've been looking for. We've handpicked the top 5 coilover kits from Amazon, reviewed their performance, pros and cons, and real user feedback so you can make the best choice for your Maxima. Stick around till the end, because you don't want to miss our top recommendation. Number 5. Motordyne Coilover Kit. The Motordyne Coilover Kit is a premium option for the Nissan Maxima A32, 1995 to 1999. Unlike the others, this set comes with 24 levels of damper adjustability, giving drivers the ability to fine-tune suspension stiffness for comfort or performance. This makes it especially appealing for enthusiasts who want track-ready handling without compromising on daily drivability. The kit is constructed with high-strength T6 aluminum and upgraded shock absorbers, ensuring durability and better heat dissipation. Users praise the noticeable difference in cornering grip and reduced body roll, as well as the ability to adjust both height and damping to match different driving conditions. On the downside, installation may be more complex compared to basic kits, and the ride may feel too firm for those who prioritize comfort over performance. However, for Maxima A32 owners who want precision suspension control, this is one of the best coilover kits on the market. Number 4. OCPTY Coilovers Struts Suspension Kit. The OCPTY Coilovers Struts Suspension Kit is built for 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima and compatible Altima models. This kit features height adjustability and upgraded coil spring shocks, designed to improve both handling and visual stance. The bold red finish adds a sporty touch that stands out while also being treated for corrosion resistance. Amazon buyers highlight that this kit offers a noticeable improvement in handling, particularly in cornering stability and reduced squat during acceleration. It's ideal for enthusiasts who want a suspension upgrade that balances performance and daily usability. Installation is fairly straightforward, although a proper wheel alignment afterward is strongly recommended. While it doesn't feature advanced damping adjustments, users report the ride feels firmer but stable, making it a good choice for drivers who don't mind sacrificing a little comfort for sharper road control. Number 3. Adjustable Coilovers Suspension Kit. The red adjustable Coilovers suspension kit is explicitly tailored for 2009 to 2014 Nissan Maxima and compatible Altima models from 2007 to 2015. It's built from high-quality alloy materials and features anti-corrosion coatings to enhance durability for daily driving in tough weather conditions. This kit offers ride height adjustability and spring preload control, allowing owners to lower or raise the car to suit different road surfaces or stylistic preferences. Customers mention that it delivers a much more controlled and composed ride, especially when tackling curves or uneven roads, with less body roll compared to stock suspension. However, because damping adjustment is not part of its design, you'll sacrifice fine-tuning for a slightly firmer ride over bumpy terrain. Also, a few users noted that installation requires attention to torque specs and aligning after the height is set to avoid misalignment. In summary, this red coilover kit is a solid mid-range option for drivers who want a dependable suspension upgrade with good looks and usability, without going into premium or racing territory. Number 2. Blue Adjustable Coilovers. This blue adjustable coilover kit is tailored for the 2009 to 2014 Maxima, also covering 2007 to 2013 Altima, and provides a practical balance between form and function. The package includes struts, springs, and mounting hardware, with height adjustability and preset damping, giving end users room to fine-tune ride height depending on road conditions or desired aesthetics. According to the Amazon listing, it supports adjustable ride height and spring preload, making it easier for DIY installers to tweak setups. In real-world use, owners have reported that the ride becomes noticeably firmer, especially when cornering at higher speeds, which reduces body roll compared to factory suspension. However, the firmness does come across on rough or uneven surfaces, making daily commute comfort somewhat compromised. Some users praised the straightforward installation and the visible drop in stance. Overall, this coilover kit serves drivers who want a sportier feel without going full race spec. It's more performance-oriented than stock, though not ultra-refined in damping control. Number 1. OCPTY Coilovers Suspension Lowering Kit. The OCPTY Coilovers Suspension Lowering Kit is a popular choice for Nissan Maxima owners who want an affordable yet functional suspension upgrade. Designed to fit 2009 to 2014 Maxima models, it also covers compatible Nissan Altima years, making it versatile for multiple applications. These coilovers come with adjustable height control, allowing drivers to lower their vehicle for a sportier stance while maintaining daily comfort. Built with high-strength steel springs and heavy-duty struts, the kit enhances cornering stability, reduces body roll, and provides a firmer ride compared to stock suspension. Many users on Amazon have praised its easy installation process, with some reporting that the kit transformed their car's handling on both highways and city roads. While it doesn't include advanced damping adjustability like premium brands, it's a solid entry-level coilover system that balances performance with affordability. Overall, the OCPTY kit is well suited for Maxima owners seeking a budget-friendly suspension upgrade that improves looks and ride control. Thanks for watching today's review on the best coilovers for Nissan Maxima. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and share this video with other car enthusiasts. Got questions or personal experiences with coilovers? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And remember, whether it's suspension upgrades, rims, or performance parts, Automotive Widgets is here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and keep upgrading your ride.